Now, Mike is a West Point, New York. Highlighting the maneuverability of his aircraft, he is currently a U.S. Army Chief Warrant Officer and Master Army Aviator, and happens to be the commander of the United States Military Academy 2nd Aviation Detachment, based right here at Stewart Airport. 12 years enlisted as a SEAL, Army Flight School back in 2002, and he is now spraying for you. The smoke is on in the air tractor, and here comes Mike Rutley. The climbing capability of the aircraft. Turn, and it was named after this. A 90-degree turn to one side, and then a 270-degree circle back around it, 3/4 of a circle. All right, now he comes and pulls the sprayer on. There you see. Very, very quiet airplane with that PT6 jet engine in there, turboprop. It is an extreme total concentration to make and do exactly what you plan to do, and spraying some farmer's field or something. Back for a second pass now. Ag pilots help farmers grow more by getting the maximum crop yields with fewer acres. Another max performance turnaround or a duster turn. Modern ag airplanes cover the crops at about 160 miles an hour, and they do so at about 15 feet above the ground, 10 to 15 feet above the ground, and the vortex off of the wingtips also helps the spray get down into the crops as they do their spraying. Michael is using dyed water through the spray system. There's no chemicals in the aircraft. Smoke that you saw take off is for air shows that use that application site to determine the wind direction and the speed. And if the wind exceeds a specified velocity, he will not tight turnaround now. Here is the 360 level minimum radius turn. Notice he does it all within the confines of the airport there. Now hard bank to the right, and then come up with a fifth pass. Smoke on, quick turn, and using the beta and reverse thrust to land. Beta is when the propeller goes to flat pitch, and then he reverses the angle of the propeller, which helps slow the aircraft down. All right, one more pull, one more duster turn, and Mike Rutley will demonstrate it for you on the Heritage Flight. All right, here we go. Last pass. Smoke comes on along with the spray. Hard pull at the end. Ready now. Burn off all of that smoke oil. And then he'll set up for landing. Like I said, he'll go to